Hey guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. It's been a while since I've done a Yoga Club unboxing, so I wanted to share this guy with you. We'll unbox it here together, and then I'm gonna link to some past posts, like literally 3 years worth of past posts, so that you guys can see how awesome their clothes are. They can do very monotone, monochromatic colors to super bright and wild, and they seriously carry the very best brands. I think I'm wearing all Whisper here. But I've got Tiki, Manduka, oh my gosh, really the list goes on and on and on. But I've received from them, and I'm officially an addict, like all the way, 100% addict. If you've been following along with my DIY remodel, I'll make it pop up here in the corner. I don't remember which corner it pops up in. I wore Yoga Club exclusively for 3 weeks straight. I do not know what I would have done to get through that time of getting the kids out of school and the remodel if I did not have these clothes. Seriously, they're much more than yoga clothes. They're mom clothes, they're a lot of things. So on top I have glider pants. They're super soft, by the way. Love the colors on this. This is super cute. A capri pant, very, very impressive. And then I have a, gosh, what is this? This is way, way soft. LA Soul. Oh wow, does it have the retail value on this? $72 for the pants alone. And then LA Soul, oh my gosh, y'all. That is so cute. That is so cute. $48 for the top. That top with those pants, I love. And then an MPG sports bra. Does this have a retail value on it? $48. Love this. Look at the back. I am a very, very big fan of this. It says good padding, which is good for some of us mamas who's had a couple of kids. Make sure you go check out past unboxings. I have a killer deal for you. If you subscribe to my newsletter, the Pink Envelope newsletter, I'm gonna send you a $50 Yoga Club gift card to try the box with. Yeah. If you just wanna go and not sign up for the newsletter, you can sign up on my blog and you still get a savings. I don't remember what that coupon is, but there's still a savings attached. Maybe 10 bucks, hit it off, something like that. All right, let me go try this on. I'm gonna come back and show you. Go sign up for Yoga Club. I have been with them for 3 years, and I can promise you won't regret it. You guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you later. Bye, y'all.